Ever felt a pull, a subtle shift within you as the moon waxes and wanes? Have you ever found yourself more introspective under the silvery glow of a full moon, or perhaps more drawn to quiet reflection during its darker phases? If so, you might be wondering, what does it truly mean to be lunar? It's not about sprouting antennae or howling at the night sky, though those are fun images. Instead, being lunar speaks to a deep connection with the moon's energy and its cyclical nature. Think of the tides, relentlessly pulled and pushed by the moon's gravitational dance. In a similar, though far more nuanced way, many believe that the moon influences our emotions, our subconscious, and even our daily rhythms. For someone who identifies as lunar, life often feels like a series of ebbs and flows, much like the lunar cycle itself. There might be periods of high energy, sociability, and outward expression, mirroring the waxing moon as it builds towards fullness. During these times, creativity might surge, and a desire to connect with others might be strong. Conversely, as the moon wanes and disappears into the new moon phase, there can be a natural inclination towards introspection, solitude, and a turning inward. This isn't necessarily a negative period, but rather a time for rest, reflection, and shedding what no longer serves. It's a fertile darkness where new ideas can gestate before they are ready to be brought into the light. This sensitivity to the lunar cycle can manifest in various ways. Some lunar individuals might find their sleep patterns subtly altered by the full moon, experiencing more vivid dreams or restlessness. Others might notice their emotional landscape shifting, feeling more sensitive or intuitive during certain lunar phases. Creative endeavors might peak and wane in tandem with the moon's journey across the sky. It's important to understand that being lunar isn't a scientifically defined personality trait. It's more of a felt experience, a way of understanding oneself in relation to the celestial rhythm that has captivated humanity for millennia. It's about acknowledging and honoring the intuitive, emotional, and cyclical aspects of our being, mirroring the constant change and renewal we see in the moon. Furthermore, embracing a lunar identity can be a powerful form of self-awareness. By paying attention to how we feel during different lunar phases, we can learn to anticipate our energy levels, understand our emotional patterns, and work in harmony with our natural rhythms rather than constantly pushing against them. This can lead to greater self-compassion and a deeper understanding of our own inner landscape. Think about it. For centuries, cultures around the world have tracked the moon's phases, using it to guide agricultural practices, mark important festivals, and understand the ebb and flow of life. This deep-seated connection suggests that perhaps we are more attuned to this celestial body than we consciously realize. So, if you find yourself nodding along, recognizing this ebb and flow within yourself, perhaps there's a part of you that resonates with the lunar energy. It's about acknowledging that life isn't always linear, that there are natural cycles of activity and rest, of outward expression and inward reflection. It's about finding beauty and meaning in the constant dance of light and shadow, just like the moon in the night sky. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.